Hi everyone, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to my channel. This is Steal the Style Season 2. So the actress we are going to talk about today is BB, Bong Beauty Bipasha Basu. I mean those killer abs, that radiant skin and those silky locks. She has got everything. So if you wonder how she maintained those gorgeous looks, this video is for you. Please keep on watching. Well, water is the reason behind her hydrated looking skin. She drinks about 4 to 6 glasses of water in the first half of the day. A cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine is must for her before going to bed. She never steps out without using a sunscreen. She eats overnight soaked almonds in the morning. She uses an eye cream from Randhawa. Apart from that, she also likes massaging almond oil around her eyes and on her lips. She prefers healthy homemade food. Bipasha's skin has the tendency to go dry, so for moisturizing her face, she uses Randhawa bee venom cream at night. She also uses milk cream, that's malai, aloe vera, almond paste and cocoa butter. She avoids makeup when she's not working. She massages her hair with hot oil the night before shampoo regularly. She also likes to deep condition them. She loves sporting different hairstyles, be it sleek straight, voluminous curls or beach waves. She loves experimenting. She carries out an organic haircare routine every once in a while to make sure her tresses are soft and supple. Her natural hair color is black, but she likes highlighting and coloring them. She also uses protein packs once in a month for her hair. Well, Bipasha has the physique to drool over. She changes fitness routine regularly. It includes both cardio and muscle training. She believes in a stress-free life, so she meditates regularly. She eats everything except red meat and rice. She has a sweet tooth but eats in small portions. She always preps her skin properly before using a foundation and she doesn't apply too much of it. She uses MAC eyeliner and MAC blush. Kiehl's lip balm is her go-to product. She goes for mani-pedi once in a month. She doesn't slip out without her cheek and lip stain and her kohl pencil. She picks warm brown hues for her blush on. For those bewitching eyes, she uses a lot of mascara and she prefers cat eye. She also likes using a gold highlighter. She likes coral and pink shades of lip glosses. At times, sexy smoky eye with pale or nude lips is her go-to look. In her handbag, the essentials include a moisturizer, a hand cream, face wipes, antibacterial wipes, sunblock, mascara, and lip and cheek stain. She is a true Bengali beauty and loves big red bindi and red lips. She loves matte red lipstick. She smells great with YSL baby doll perfume. So here we come to the end of today's video. I hope you like Bipasha Basu's secrets, and let me repeat this the zillionth time. If you have a favorite actress and you want me to do a similar video about her, she could be from Bollywood, Collywood, Lollywood, Tollywood, any wood. She should be an actress. Please write her name either in the comment section below on YouTube, or you can follow me as Punjabi Beauty on Duty on Instagram and Facebook, and you can write there as well. So if you have liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.